Let's go, Chan.
Galing ah. Oh. Nag-flag racing ng ano.
There you go. The show has officially started. A round of applause for Chan. With trainer April. Hello everybody and welcome to Manila Ocean Park, also our virtual with me, trainer Mikey. Now here's an object that will hide under one of these three silver cups. So where do you want me to put this object? On your left, on your right, or in the middle? Now which one? Left, right, or middle? Okay, so let's put it right here. Now let's go on our second bird, Dazzle.
Train.
Dazzle, the flower school, perfect guarantee. Scientific name, Kakatua galerita. They inhabit the woodlands and forests along the east coast of Australia. They're very large birds and can mimic almost any sound. They typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, and rambutan. And they also love birds. Now guys, do you think Dazzle has the ability to find a hidden object? Even yes, let's say, you can do it, Dazzle! Come on, Dazzle, find a hidden object for us.
Galing ah. Ang galing ah. Ha?
Meaning, they will be partners for a lifetime. Reader one, right?
Wala, galing oh.
As any couple will attest, in a relationship, there will always be battle. Meet Sassy and Rocky are visible by Mahawk. And today, they will battle it out to see who's the best in the basketball game. But before we start this battle, I'll be inviting you into two groups. One girl will cheer for Sassy. The one girl that you say, Sassy! Sassy!
Sassy! Sassy!
And I'll look for a voice that cheers for Rocky. Rocky! Rocky!
Rapi! Rapi!
Okay, first ready? Cheers, ready, set, go! Here's Robin's first ball. Followed only by Sassy. Second ball for
Ang galing ah.
Sassy. Let's see who's gonna win. It's a tie. And for the last ball, who's gonna win? And Rock!
Ah, diba?
Close game. Trainer Rochelle, what can you say about that? You guys lose this time?
Naog si Sassy.
Hold it. They won another race. They won another race, Trainer John.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
This time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race you have in mind?
I won a ring race. And what is the ring race? The first bird who can drop things into the pole, the fastest is the winner, and that is the ring race. So the ring race, it shall be, remember that boys already have 1 point. So girls, let's cheer louder for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again. This time a ring race. Ready, set, go! Here's Robin's first win. Only what's happening. Sassy, we got that ring race! Up
Ate si Sassy!
Sassy! What do you think about that?
Maro!
Hey, you guys didn't!
Oh, he thinks he cheated. No, he didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain. Oh, so it's true that girls are more intelligent than boys? A round of applause for Sassy and Rock. Trainer Rochelle and Trainer John. Sparrows are particularly known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's why we continue to enhance their skills and navigate work.
Galing no, mga bird no? Maturuan talaga mga hayop.
How intelligent she is by putting the shade back to its correct slot. Just like Sassy, twin big boys from South America, and they're going to be the gentle giants of the Parrot family. It is because they are the second largest next to the high seasonal hawk.
Sembol. Galing Shape.
Length and can be up to 8 years old.
Turuan talaga.
Is Araclorapera. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, salt, and minerals along the river banks.
Square.
And for the last sheep,
Circle.
there you go!
di ba galing?
Now guys, who loves math? Everyone here loves addition, right?
Who loves math daw?
Well, this next part of the program will be most people love all the names. You're gonna
Asa
see
na?
it. Maybe first can do math,
Langgam kay mo ni mo ad.
but before we
Sige
go
daw,
on,
sige daw, sige daw, sige daw. For baranta.
only two numbers between 1 to 15. Any numbers between 1 to 15? Okay, question is 8 plus 7. Let's see if our mathematical wizard can solve this equation. First, Senior John will shuffle the numbers. Once again, the equation is 8 plus 7. And now let's find out how we call Rocky.
Si Robin, si Robin.
Look at that. What a beautiful answer. Senior John, sorry. Go Rocky solve the equation for us. 8 plus 7.
8 plus 7?
And Rocky gets the first number. Correct. But how about the second number? Well, Rocky loves numbers. Oh, I think he knows the answer.
Galing
Perfect. So 8 plus 7 equals to 15. Questions get more hard to solve.
Galing
Which Trader John? So this time, I need an adult volunteer with 500 pesos here. Once again, an adult volunteer with 500 pesos here.
Adult daw. When 500 peso bill.
And trainer April will choose one. Once again, an adult volunteer with 500 peso bill. Anyone here who wants to wear lucky volunteer for today? Just raise your hand. And trainer April will choose one.
Sa dati?
Okay, we got one already. Come here, sir. Right here, stage. You will notice the birds in our show are mostly parrots. It is because they are highly intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and musically in time. And they can remember even the smallest details. Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to Manila Ocean Park. Ma'am, what's your name? How about our longest, Ma'am Diana? Now, ma'am, can I have the money? Okay, ma'am. All you have to do is stand right here, facing this way. Extend your left arm just like this. As I put your money between your fingers. Now, ma'am, do you have any idea what will happen next? Any idea? Well, let's see. Let's call our one bird. Body. Body flies over. Flies away. Okay, body is also our Malukan Nagatu. Scientific name, Kahatuan sensi. These birds can be found in eastern Indonesia, and they're the largest among the white-backed groups. Also, body can detect the money if it's real or fake. Now, once again, let's call our money bird. body. Now, ma'am, are you ready? Better give it up. Here it comes, body. Body flies over. He gets the body. And what you gonna do, buddy? Oh, I think he's thinking about it. What you gonna do, boy? Come on, buddy, why don't you try again? He gets the money and prize back. And I said, buddy will donate the money.
Donate the money.
Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds? Well, your money goes a long way and we're very grateful. You may now go back to your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. Anyone else have 1,000 possible this time? Anyone? No more? Oh, Diana, excuse me, are you okay? You sure? You look so sad. No, we're just kidding. It's all part of the show. Ma'am Diana, please come back here and run and we will give your money back. Ma'am, Buddy is saying something before Buddy gives your money back. Buddy wants to give you a kiss. Is that okay? Okay, ma'am. All you have to do is stand right here. Look at the camera and offer your cheese. One more. Now hold on your hand. Just open your palm. Look at the camera and smile. And now, ma'am, there is your money. A round of applause for lucky guest. Ladies and gentlemen, now that you've met our colorful and intelligent parents, we would like to show you another feature from school. Scientific name is Boo and Betsy. These birds can fly in the wood. Some are leaving. Kapag-wanas and possibly it's the buyan. And we are running out. Here goes Shadow. They are locally known as lawin or balong in this dire region. And here goes Steve. And as you can see, we have our roaming pigeon.
Pigeon,
To its nest and meat. Our run-of for rockers and our roaming pigeon.
Galing ah.
Here at the Ocean Park, we believe that there is hope. We don't not try to take care of our friends in the sea, but we're also blowing land and air as well. Now guys, who knows that we are? It's reduce, reuse, and let's try out very good. So here's our Doctor once again. And
Sinado sila, no?
How the proper waste this goes up.
Oh, di ba? Oh, oh.
See, if our numbers can do it, we believe that so can everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, we all hope you enjoy our show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in our own way, no matter how small the effort, let's take action in saving them from exploitation or even extinction. Please let's all do our part in saving the world. Because remember, this is the only hope we've got. Now let me present to you the birds and the trainers who made the show possible. Trainer Rina with Rocky. Trainer Rochelle with Buddy.
Buddy.
Trainer April with Speed. Trainer John with Hope.
Mo.
Trainer Danny with Shadow.
Shadow.
And once again, I'm Trainer Mikey. Thank you and goodbye. By the way, guys, please come here. because tomorrow is still night show. Thank you!
Oh, di ba?